All right, hi guys, this is Mike Wheeler with MikeWheelerMedia.com, and I have had several students ask me about how many questions on the exam are related to Lightning Experience, and this is specifically to do with the administrator exam. And this can be very disorienting because when you first log into Salesforce and you're getting started and signing up for your free developer account, they have you log in and you start out in Lightning Experience, and then you start to go down the path of taking my course, and you see that I spend most of my time in Salesforce Classic. And I wanted to let you know that there are currently 0 questions on the exam related to Lightning Experience. And I've verified that with several different students in my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group with well over 700 students, and many of those have just taken the exam days or weeks ago, and the consistent message has been that there's 0 questions related to Lightning Experience. And so trust me when I say that you don't need to worry about Lightning Experience versus Classic on the administrator exam. All Lightning Experience is a user interface, and it is good to become familiar with it, and I do plan to create a course around administering on the platform inside of Lightning Experience. But I'd say at least 80 to 90% of the admin course of mine is in Salesforce Classic. That's because you can do everything that you need to do in Salesforce Classic, and there's still very many different fundamental things that you can't do in Lightning Experience. I still consider Lightning Experience in beta for the most part, and there's a lot that just can't be done in that particular user interface. So just think of it as window dressing. That's all it is. It's the view inside of Salesforce, and whether you're in Lightning Experience or Classic, you need to understand the fundamentals of the platform, and that's what I teach towards is the fundamentals. And so just do your best to follow along, and be sure and hit the lecture inside my course of how to switch back and forth between the 2 interfaces, and don't let it throw you, don't let it concern you, and just rest assured that I make updates to all my courses every month. There's 3 major releases by Salesforce, and I also check the release notes and add and subtract from those courses as old things are phased out and new things are brought in as well. I do anticipate over time that there will be more related to Lightning on the admin exam, and so just rest assured that I will keep up to date with what's going on and we'll update the course, but don't let it concern you if you see a lot in Salesforce Classic during the admin course. But I just wanted to make that clear. As of today, 0 questions about Lightning Experience on the admin exam. This is Mike Wheeler Media. If you like this video, be sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Look for me on Facebook, LinkedIn, etc., and I'll see you later.